By way of introduction, my name is Philippa Dodds, and I head up the marketing department for the region of Africa at Meltwater. Meltwater is the world's leading media intelligence company, and our software helps thousands of companies around the world to turn big data into actionable insights. In today's webinar, we'll be taking you through how to leverage big data, especially about your customers and potential new customers, to gain a competitive advantage in your industry. Gone are the days where knowing just the basic demographics about your audience is enough data to truly understand what drives your key customers and how to attract more.
Today, I'm going to talk about audience insights and how to effectively leverage the power of social data in order to gain better insights into your audiences. From a market research 2.0 perspective, we're going to be unpacking traditional market research methods and then also looking at how AI and social listening are giving brands a competitive advantage when it comes to understanding the audiences that matter to them the most. We are living through the age of digital transformation. Managing change is already an art when it comes to operating in the digital media landscape. But in the wake of COVID-19, it's become a more immediate need. The question really is, are companies changing with the times? Our CEO once said, every company has external factors that impact future business performance both positively and negatively. Mining external data to understand these is like having a stethoscope listening into Porter's 5 forces in real time. As I'm sure you all know, Porter's 5 forces is a very well-known model for figuring out how competitive a company really is, based on both external and internal factors. These factors affect the current state and potential of power, which has a direct relationship with performance and output. Social media is where all B2C consumers are engaging with brands and being influenced into purchase decisions. And that is why the accuracy and scale of social listening data is also very key. Audience insights technology can help companies identify their audiences, understand who and what influences them, and how they interact with each other and the world around them. 60 to 70% of marketers admit that they don't truly understand their buyers. In a 2018 podcast, my very favorite comedian Ricky Gervais, whilst doing social media research, said, "That's not a sample, that's just the world." This is something that we at Meltwater realized back in 2001 and thus invested in the technology to start making sense of the sea of digital breadcrumbs that consumers leave behind every second of every day. To end off, these all serve as a treasure trove of customer data, and if you are able to tap into that with the right technology and the right tools, you will always be one step ahead of your competitors. Thank you so much for your time today. Please reach out if you have any questions.